Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. Today is November 8th, day 8. If you're just joining us for this series, check out the description below for links to the videos covering topics from days 1 to 7 and catch up with us. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is deadlines. So the FAFSA opens on December 1st. It's scheduled to open on December 1st. The deadline to complete the FAFSA is June 30th of the academic school year. So that's going to be June 30th of 2025. However, colleges and states may have earlier deadlines. Within the FAFSA application itself, you will find a list that shows the deadline for each state for submitting the FAFSA. States also provide funding. And so if the student is going to be eligible and in the position to receive state funding, it's really, really important that they pay attention to the state deadlines that are listed in the FAFSA, as well as the deadline of the colleges and universities that you're applying to. So I recommend that you anticipate delays and start early. You may submit the FAFSA and end up needing to change something, or more documentation may be needed. There may be corrections to make. So please don't wait until the last minute. Get your FAFSA in early so that we can meet all required deadlines. We do not want to leave any money on the table, right? So that concludes day 8. Thank you so much for joining. Like, share, and invite others to this series. Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We'll see you on day 9 tomorrow. Bye.